everyone, Danielle here. Thank you for tuning in. I am about to unbox my bed in the box that I got from Subrtex. Believe it or not, there is a king bed inside of this box that I can almost wrap my arms around. And it's not super tall, so I'm really interested to see how it unfolds. The actual mattress came with this cute little cutter, I think probably so you don't actually cut the foam mattress or use scissors, because that is in the instructions. There are only 3 steps, so it seems pretty simple. I hope I don't mess it up, but it's really simple. It says pull the mattress out of the package. You cut it open without obviously cutting it, and then you carefully unroll the mattress, lay it flat, you allow it to recover naturally, and don't put it near high heat or an open flame. There's a fireplace right there. And you allow it to actually work for 24 hours, and it rises, I guess, to a natural shape, and you're ready to go. So the 3rd step just says allow for 48 hours for the odor to dissipate, which I've read is really common with foam mattresses in the box. It's just a thing. I don't know. So if it smells, deal with it, it'll go away. So let's check it out. This for all that time. Oh, okay. Maybe they will. How to unpack your memory foam mattress. It says open paper boxes here. Okay. Oh, I see. Pull the mattress out of the box. Lovely. Blah, blah, blah. Cut plastic wrapping, which is this. Remove compressed materials. Then unroll the mattress to lay flat carefully, and then allow mattress to recover naturally at least 48 hours. It's a very long time. Okay. So drum roll, and we have the 8-inch memory foam bed in a box from Subrtex already expanding. So we're going to allow it 24 hours to fully expand in my living room, because I already have a mattress on my bed, which is terribly uncomfortable, and that is why we have a mattress to replace it. We just have to wait 24 hours to put it on, and we will check back in 24 hours and show you our masterpiece. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, the mattress is fully expanded and now in my bedroom and not in my living room, which we have been enjoying having it in the living room because we've been laying on it and watching TV. We waited the full 48 hours to actually put it in here, just to give it a full time to expand. I will note it never had an odor to it, so I really appreciated that, but I'm sure that, you know, each product varies, and obviously the odor goes away, but we never had an odor, which was amazing. So we haven't officially slept on this yet, but we have laid on it quite a bit in the living room while we're watching TV. So I can say that it's much more comfortable than my previous mattress, and I'm really looking forward to giving it a full try. So here it is. She's beautiful. This is the Subrtex 8-inch memory gel-infused mattress.